The new Rokform Fuzion Pro for the iPhone X is quite a bit different than our previous Fuzion Pros. First, we use a lot more carbon fiber. We do this by pocketing out, machining out the aluminum, and the carbon fiber is set in there and permanently bonded to the aluminum from the top, and that makes the actual shell a lot lighter. And also we pocket out the back of the aluminum. So we got this thing as light as we can get it, and it's much lighter than previous versions, which a lot of people do like the lightweight feel. It comes with two different inserts. This is the magnet only insert, and this is the rock lock insert for bike mount, motorcycle mount, suction mount, twist lock mount, any type of twisting, this is the one. So to swap these out, all you do is pop the magnet out, and then what you do is snap it into the back, and you'll hear it snap. Take the magnet felt side up and just push it into the back like that. And then to install the phone, all you're going to do is first you're going to put it into the TPU like that, and then you're going to take your aluminum, and I like to lay it flat and just give it a push, and sometimes you'll see it has a little gap there. All you do is push that with your thumbs, and it comes out, and that's it. And a lot of people like to use wireless charging. We get a lot of questions, does this work with wireless charging? Like this, it does not, because the magnet interferes with the connection. So if you want to use wireless charging with this, there's a little slot right here. Just take your thumb, do that, stick it on your wireless charger, and you're good to go. And then when you're ready to go, just do the same thing, pop your aluminum piece right back on, and you're ready to ride. And that's the new Rokform Fuzion Pro.